Yo, I wonder how much it costs to see Kai live. That'd be sweet. Mom, I know what I want for my birthday. Front row. Maybe even backstage. Please, Mom, please. Hit it.
Rain hits the windowsill, still as the present ill. Calm as a druggy pill, stomp on the crazy thrill. Acquire power chill, jackhammered watermill. Nimble as the realest drill, softer than the precious feel. Late from being afraid, safety at home, sheltered. Let me explain, tell the truth. Conscious of what is replaced by some fate that you create. Can't relate if there's no comprehension. Not to mention the tensions through unmet pensions. Set foot outside the third dimension. Feel like high school is a long suspension. Yeah. Gray matter ask for much scatter. Saturn's patterns fall into what's clattered on the deck. To the next batter. War was the ladder. Peace is now shattered. Yo. What up? We back. Yeah. Girl, I know I'm not perfect, but I hope that you know that I'm worth it. When you lost and you got no purpose, I'll be there for you to burn with. See my oceans deep, you just cracked the surface. Trust me, that's the furthest that anyone's went, cause my feelings furtive. Cry me, don't need no kerchief. Look, we fight and I know that, and I make mistakes, but I'll hit the brakes. If I hear that you're hurting, I'll be swerving round the curve to come help you escape. Pick you up at the gate. Yo, let's move out the states. Put on my mixtape that I wrote for you. We kicking for a bit, it's a date. Head to the beach, tan, rock the bands, do shit while music be bumping. Yeah, preach, I'm your man, it's a plan. True shit, no fronting, no faking shit, just trusting. When we touch, my heart be pumping. In your eyes, I'm lost in loving. Girl, what's on your mind? It's something. You said that you must be leaving. Like LeBron left Cleveland speechless. My heart stopped beating. Head left unbelieving. Eyes struck, felt stuck. Fuck, man, I was barely breathing. I shut my eyes and walked by. Couldn't watch you piecing. So just walk by, forget about your problems, and just move on. No regrets, you can solve them. Yeah. So just walk by, forget about your problems, and just move on. No regrets, you can solve them. Yeah. Girl, I know I'm not flawless, but if I must, I bid you adieu. Girl, I know my world godless, but that never occurs with you. And when I'm at twists and turns with you, felt like a bird with you. Take
look off from earth with you. Just went head first with you. I'm reserved with you. You could say I caught nerves with you, but I burden you, cause you don't got time and all that. Life is a game, so I grab my hat. Walk on by, speaking thoughts in a rap. I'll be up all night, just reminiscing, singing this song, and I hope you'll listen. I'll give you your space, and I'll live my life. Soon you'll see what you're missing.
So just walk by, forget about your problems, and just move on. No regrets, you can't solve them. Yeah. So just walk by, forget about your problems, and just move on. No regrets, you can't solve them. Yeah. 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 Let's get groovy, dance and shake. Let's watch movies, chill and bake. Crack a few brewskis, let's get face. Call a few cuties just in case. Let's get groovy, dance and shake. Let's watch movies, chill and bake. Crack a few brewskis, let's get face. Call a few cuties just in case. I'm chillin' with Molly, Mary, Jane, and Jack. Might as well be sipping Miller's and Mac. Killin' 30 rap, pull some hoes with the snap. Got them coming to the sack when I rap. It's a fact, cause I'm on my grind, it's ridiculous. Like super hot, I'm not a rapper, my voice is just an instrument. Swipey girl, so you better be vigilant. I wouldn't say I'm God, but I'm certainly ubiquitous. Been pulling girls since the days of elementary. She's in my bed in a second to kill my scenery. In a minute, I'll be in it for the long run. I'm smooth with the words, cause I'm on one. Yes, love, straight from Cupid. Get some drugs, make it lucid. Yeah, go dumb, let's get stupid. This is some goddamn good music. Groovy, dance and shake. Let's watch movies.
Alright, y'all, so I finished the restoration. As you can see, they look all fresh. Nah, I'm just kidding, this isn't the finished shoe, but alright, so here's the results. Dude, what the fuck? You're not supposed to throw that shit, you dumbass. You're fucking stupid. Alright, so my bad about that. Serge over there threw it on accident, but here's the finishing product. As you can see, the repaint. No scuffs on the upper. Has the OG laces, so they're like a little bit yellowed. I didn't want to bleach them because I kind of like how it looks. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Shout out to Sneakerhead in the Bay once again. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more content, subscribe to me on YouTube at Isaiah Ariano. Thanks for watching.
I'm at the Capitol, all about botanical. So take a hit and feel the pain. Seat back, feet up, cannabis is on my brain. Yeah, it's all chill, there's no need to explain. So let's groove.